In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a sales pipeline in HubSpot. To begin, open HubSpot and look to the top navigation area for the settings icon. Click it, then move into the settings menu for your CRM objects. From there, go to Objects and choose Deals. This opens the area where your deal records and pipeline structure are managed. Once you are on the deal settings page, click the Pipelines tab. This is where HubSpot lets you view, adjust, and create deal pipelines. If your account already has an existing pipeline, you will see it here. The next step is to create a separate one for the sales process you want to track. Find the Select a Pipeline drop-down menu and click it. From the options in that menu, choose Create Pipeline. HubSpot will then prompt you to enter a name. Type the name you want to use for this new sales pipeline. Use a name that clearly matches the process or team it belongs to. Then click Create to add it. After the pipeline is created, you can start building the stages that reflect how your deals move forward. Click Add Stage to begin creating those stages. Each stage should represent one point in your sales process. As you add them, keep the order aligned with the path a deal follows from the beginning through the final outcome. For each stage, enter a stage name in the field provided. Then set the deal probability for that stage. The probability should match how likely a deal is to close when it reaches that point in the pipeline. HubSpot uses these values for forecasting and reporting, so it is worth checking that each percentage fits the stage you are defining. Continue repeating this process until all of your stages are in place and each one has both a name and a probability. When all stage details have been entered, click Save. This applies the pipeline and stage changes to your HubSpot account. If you made several edits while setting this up, saving ensures the new structure is available when you return to your deal records. With the pipeline saved, move over to the Deals section. There, open the pipeline dropdown and select the new pipeline you just created. Once it is selected, you can begin creating deals inside that pipeline and managing them according to the stages you set up. This is where the structure becomes part of your day-to-day workflow, since each deal can now be placed in the correct stage and moved forward as progress happens. Your new sales pipeline is now set up in HubSpot and ready to use for creating and managing deals.